President of the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, Professor Fritz Pinnock, is to go on leave amid ongoing corruption investigations involving former Minister of Education Ruel Reid, the Education Ministry, and the university.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
In a statement released on Friday, the 5th of July, a spokesperson said Pinnock indicated his decision in a letter to the chairman of the University Council. The release reads as follows. The Caribbean Maritime University has announced that its president, Professor Fritz Pinnock, has opted to take a leave of absence in light of the ongoing investigation of the former Minister of Education, Youth and Information, the Ministry and the University. In the interest of all, I have elected to go on 6 weeks of voluntary leave, effective today, July 5th, 2019. This will allow the various investigations in progress time to conclude their findings and recommendations, Pinnock was quoted as saying in his letter. The spokesperson says, Pinnock believes that while the investigations are important, the related issues should not overshadow the integrity of the CMU, the work of its management and staff, and the reputation of the university and the students. As a result, for greater transparency, and for the university to continue pursuing its vision to be the maritime university of choice for global leaders, he believes that this is the right thing to do at this time. He adds that the CMU is a great asset, and it would be selfish of me to continue allowing folks to destroy what so many have worked to build. CMU as a brand is secure and will continue growing. CMU is the first specialized university in Jamaica with a mission to redefine maritime excellence through innovation and technology. The CMU boss has faced criticism from some quarters following revelations about the management of the university at Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriation Committee (PAAC). The most recent disclosed was on Wednesday when the committee was told that a second household helper assigned to Ruel Reid was a recipient of contracts from the Caribbean Maritime University. The committee heard that Maureen Blake, while still being paid by the Ministry of Education, was contracted by the CMU to provide services along with counsellor for the Brownstone Division, Kim Brown Lawrence, and the St. Anne Company. Already linked to the CMU was another of Reid's helpers, Doreen Miller, who was said to have received millions after payments by the CMU made to consultant Gail Dunwell Campbell were diverted to her. At a previous PAAC sitting, Pinnock admitted that the CMU paid out over 600,000 Jamaican dollars towards a board party for the discarded education minister. He was also forced to explain his description of the party as an industry function after documents submitted to the committee showed he was aware that the event was organized by a group called Friends of Ruel Reid to recognize the former minister's achievements. According to the documents, the East Kingston-based university paid two companies a total of 674,930 Jamaican dollars to rent and decorate the boat.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.